How to customize or change the quick settings panel style on your Android 12 device. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the quick settings panel style on your Android 12 device. Now, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to be rooted using Magisk and need to have Magisk Manager installed. Next up, all the files which we are going to use in this video are linked in the description of the video. Now, if you're not a big fan, do not like the current Android 12 quick settings panel style, all you need to do is open the Magisk application, and once you have opened the app, go into the last option, which is your modules. Herein select install from storage. Now tap on the three bar menu on the top left, select your device's name. In my case it is Poco F1. Now navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the file. If you download the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. In my case, I have transferred it to my device from my computer, and here it is. This is the file which we are looking for. Now once you install this file, you will have to press the volume buttons, that is your volume up and volume down, to choose between the different customization options. So here it is. I'm going to select the file, and first of all it wants me to press the volume plus for the circle beta, so I press volume plus. Now within this you have multiple options. Let us choose the circle outline one, so I have to do volume minus. You will get a small minus, volume minus one more time, and then the plus or volume up, and bam, there it is. You can see it is telling me that it is installing the circle outline one, and once that is done, go ahead and reboot your device. Now, while the device is rebooting, do note if you run into a boot loop because of a Magisk module, we do have videos showing you how to fix a boot loop caused by a Magisk module without performing a factory reset, and those videos can be found in the description of this video. So we have booted back into Android. Let us check out our quick settings panel. Bam, here it is. That is how my quick settings panel looks like. Now, what if you want to switch over to some other style? So the process is the same. Go into Magisk modules and then install from storage. Go ahead and choose the very same file one more time, and this time around let us say I want the rectangle one, so I'm going to say volume minus, and I'm going to say volume plus for the outline style. Choose how many rows you want, so I'm going to say volume minus and then volume minus one more time. Everything is done. Go ahead and reboot my device. So we're back into Android one more time. Let us go ahead and check out my quick settings panel. Bam, here it is. That is how my quick setting panel looks like. And what if you want to revert back to your original style? Well, in that case, all you need to do is go to the modules section, go ahead and disable or remove whatever you want to do, and then reboot your device and you should be good to go. And there it is, peeps. We are back on the original style of our quick settings panel. Another thing you might notice is that you have a file called A12QS module uninstaller.zip. Now this is a recovery flashable file, so in case you do run into a boot loop and you want to not watch another video of mine to fix it, just flash this file from recovery and you should be good to go. And there it is, peeps. That is how you customize or change the style of your quick settings panel on Android 12. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.